Hey y'all, this is Sarge from Sgt B's Motorcycles in Titusville, Florida. Listen, today we have a 2006 Heritage Softail converted into a trike with the Frankenstein Trike Kit. Come around this way. As you can see, this Frankenstein Trike Kits feature the big fat tires, the big fat rear end. These are quality trike kits. They range anywhere from $5,000 to $7,000. This one's got the Easy Steer kit on it. 44,000 miles, I believe it is, and we're going to start it up for you. 41,849 miles. As you can tell, sounds really cool. Okay, again, this is Sarge of Sgt B's Motorcycles in Titusville, Florida. Don't make me come get you. Semper Fi.